Hi, good morning, MMM Philippines. My name is Giovanni, or one of I am a guider of MMM from Davao City. Right, so last November 11, 2015, ako po ay nag-provide help na worth 5,000 pesos using MMM mining plus 7% in 3 days. Right, so the November 17, 2015, ako po ay nag-get help na worth 29,300 pesos from of course, we have here the uh, MMM mining flight 1,000 pesos. Then the referral bonuses, leaders bonus, this one, all of it are from mostly are from leaders bonus. Then of course, bonus of testimonial of the trade. It totaled to 29,300 pesos. Right, so the participants who provided help to me are Sanchez Manuela, Extoff, Azucena, Ira May Kramer, right, and never mind. But thank you so much, MMM. Thank you so much, Sir Jim Glory. Thank you to all of the participants who provided help to me. Long live MMM. Together, we can change the world.